Sweet potato salad recipe. Vibrant, flavorful, and perfect for any occasion. Sweet potato salad is the ultimate crowd pleaser. It's not only colorful and delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Sweet potatoes bring a natural sweetness, while fresh vegetables, herbs, and a tangy cumin-lime dressing make every bite irresistible. Inspired by the feasting at home recipe, this salad is perfect as a side dish for BBQs, a potluck, or even a light lunch on its own. This version adds a touch of spice, freshness, and texture that will make your taste buds dance. The best part? It's easy to prepare and can be made ahead of time. For the salad, 2 medium sweet potatoes, diced into 1-inch cubes, roasted until tender. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil for roasting. 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, salt, and pepper to taste. 1 small jalapeno, minced. 1 shallot, minced. 1 cup corn kernels, 1½ cups zucchini, chopped. 1 red bell pepper, chopped. 2 green onions, thinly sliced, and 1 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. For the cumin-lime dressing, 1 garlic clove, minced. 2 tablespoons lime juice, 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon maple syrup, half a teaspoon chipotle powder, half a teaspoon dried oregano, half a teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, salt to taste, and a 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil. Optional garnishes: sliced avocado for creaminess, toasted pumpkin seeds for crunch, and extra lime wedges for tang. First, roast the sweet potatoes. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss the diced sweet potatoes with olive oil, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper. Spread them out in a single layer on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Roast for 25 to 30 minutes, tossing halfway through, until tender, slightly caramelized, and lightly golden. Let them cool slightly. While the sweet potatoes are roasting, heat a drizzle of olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Add the minced jalapeno, shallots, corn, and zucchini. Sauté for about 2 to 3 minutes, just until tender but still crisp. Remove from heat and let them cool. In a small bowl, whisk together garlic, lime juice, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup, chipotle powder, oregano, cumin, coriander, and salt. Slowly drizzle in the olive oil while whisking to emulsify. The result is a tangy, slightly smoky dressing that balances the natural sweetness of the sweet potatoes perfectly. In a large mixing bowl, combine the roasted sweet potatoes, sautéed vegetables, red bell pepper, green onions, and cilantro. Pour half of the dressing over the salad and toss gently to coat. Taste and add more dressing if needed. Top the salad with sliced avocado, toasted pumpkin seeds, and extra lime wedges if desired. The salad is now ready to enjoy. It pairs beautifully with grilled meats, fish, or can stand alone as a nutritious, filling meal. This sweet potato salad is a perfect harmony of sweet, tangy, smoky, and fresh flavors. It's a salad you'll want to serve all year round.